if YouTube is working. Because it should be. Apparently I am streaming on YouTube. Oh, you can get multiple chat on Restream. This is nice. I was going to do pop-out chat, but if I can get the two chats at once, that's better. But am I really live? Live with Restream. How do I change that? Edit video. No, it's not made for kids. Um, okay, so that is edited. Game dev makes game alive. I guess we did it. We did it. We are live on YouTube and Twitch. Okay, let's do some stuff. I just check the sound. We should be getting some keyboard ASMR this time. Let's see how that goes. Okay. So what's on the to-do list for this stream? We're going to fix bugs. Player action that is interrupted is being cancelled right at the end of the season, prompting you to start an action that gets immediately interrupted, maybe, and never shows up in the graph. Right. So we need to reproduce this first. Let's get an action interrupted. When it goes to the end of the season, and then do something, and that pops out there. Season ended, but we have a new action choice. And if I take this, that kind of gets screwed up, and this gets screwed up. So I think I know what is happening. When the action is interrupted, it gets finished. And when it gets finished, actually, when it gets finished, nothing major seems to happen, so it could be not due to the interruption. Let's see what happens if I don't finish. I do not get choices. So there is something about finishing it. Sorry, okay. There is something about finishing that causes the bug. Player action and a demit. This is probably what is happening. So I could do let's see what happens with this signal. This is the tabs. So let's just not even emit it. So if is by player and So if it is the last day, then nothing is going to happen. This should help. Although let's see exactly what happens. Let's go to the end of the season again. And then we do something that will get interrupted because there's no time. And now I am busy. So that is the behavior we wanted. And if time passes, we have this weird situation even when time passes, though, where you're considered busy. So we could just come here and say, when this happens, we want to say, actually, we want to do the main thing, right? Like reset player action choices. When I don't know if the timer is going to be paused. How we do this? No actions. We go into the new one. This is still showing. Actually, we didn't even need to reset the action choices because they were already reset somehow, right? Player continue after season end. I could put that here. Can we just hide that at the start? Let's go. We're good. We're good. We are good. And this is all for this season. Yeah. Okay, we're good. This bug is fixed. I still don't know where the new actions are coming from, but they're coming from somewhere, and that works for me. Gotta see what's next. Improve focus window was buggy, perhaps because I didn't pick a focus, or because no season had passed. So I do need to change the initial look for sure. This needs to kind of hide itself. That was unclear. Can we just clear on ready? Let's see. We should change that text too, I guess. Yeah, this looks weird, but weird is okay. So let's automate and see where that goes. Okay, we see it, and we can use it, and we're good. But if we don't use it, it stays there. Which is not too bad. And it got lost, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So this is decent enough behavior. It's like, yeah, sure, you might not pick anything, but that's okay. That's on you. I thought the problem was something else, but it was just the initial look. I wanna see something. That's funny. I don't see the restream. Supposedly I should be getting this restream thing on my stream watermark, but it's not showing. We're good. Whatever. Okay, so last one. And then I have no idea what we're going to do. We might have to end this early because I didn't think this would go so fast. Um, when the work action gets interrupted, season end screen didn't show me as participant in the project. This is, yes, this is, always happens. It's updating too soon. So let's see when it is updating. That's the season end. On the season end began. This gets updated. So I can put a breakpoint here. And I can put a breakpoint on the action interrupt. And let's see what runs first. Yeah. So this just emits, and whoever picks up the signal first does it. So let's make this on season and we do ended. And now this should update afterwards. So first we interrupt, and then we update the UI. Let's do a final test with a player action to make sure. So this will get interrupted. And as it does, we have a bug. Project gains a player character, you don't see any. which is interesting. So what is setting the gains? The gains is when I do a set result. Oh, I don't think I am calling this. When I interrupt. I should be calling it here though. I wonder what happened there. Let's just make sure. Wait, what? Oh, just for the project. Hmm. Is this being done after? Now the result has been set. Oh, but this could be happening before the interruption. Yes, it is. Okay. So we need to set the result before the interruption. Where is this coming from? Oh, it comes directly from here. First we set the results and then we do this. I don't know if there's a good reason for that, but I would imagine not. I think we can just invert it like this. And this should be fine. This should fix that one. Okay, reset the result. We got 14. We got our influence here. It's showing fine. I don't know why we got a change in resolution there. Weird. Okay. Seems to be working fine. Okay. So this bug is done as well. Are we done then? Let's do a playthrough then. And we can see if we find more bugs. Or what happens. Let's do... We don't have any good focus. Let's start with the governor. This is good. This is good. These are bad. I did not want that. This is good. Take this. Yeah. Okay, everyone got 100%. Oh, we're not getting the text now here. So there's a bug. So that is not showing, and it has to show. But they all excelled. I guess we just excelled more. And we can do this one. This is greedy. We need morale. Should probably take morale right away. We need morale, but this is good. I'll take this. We need more morale. Let's abandon that. We could do this one. Okay, this will work. We didn't do as well. Can switch here to Publicani. We need rest, but okay, yeah, we need rest. This is really good. We're going for Publicani. We can do local elite as well. Or I could rest. Publicani. Oh, let's go. Oh, this is actually good. Where we rest. Here we do Publicani. Actually, we do, but not too happily. The way we did okay. This is the excelling. Yeah, we did okay. Here we improve. Gonna do this one again. The groups are pretty balanced, I think. Yeah. They're just all doing well. Guess more work is going to the governor. We need morale. We just do the whatever is okay. This is better. This works. We're getting governor. We're getting governor on rest. This looks good. Now we go all in on work. Oh, this is amazing. And then we just rest. Boom. Okay. Oh, the ranks are not updating either. So we are actually number 1. I just did an update. But yeah, this was a good playthrough. Yeah, if it were to update, then I would have been there. Okay. So I gotta fix those updating. Updating are there bugs. So that's for the projects. Let's see. Oh, weird. Okay, so it's the project title. Season end began. This should always be unended, the UI stuff. So this should be taken care of. And ranking update order is wrong now as well. Some time passed, but it's not the individual. It's the list. Season unended. Okay, so that's the projects and the ranking. Okay, projects are showing. The ranking looks right. We're good. Bam. Okay, I think we're done. Is there anything else I can do in half an hour? I could be, but I'm not sure about this. NPCs change their focus. I could do this, I guess. Adaptive focus. Um, so here we want the characters to change the type of their focus. There's a 50% chance that nothing happens at all. And then, if not, nothing happens, then we just get a random focus, and we say that the type is going to be some other random one. Why am I not getting autocomplete on that? And we just do another one. And we look at the projects. What's the It's the projects manager. Projects current. If a project actually if the project's attribute equals to, I guess like I can loop, go through each of the projects. Maybe it makes more sense to go through each of your focus. Attributes equals focus attribute. Gonna say focus type. It's be equals to the project. Project group type, which is this. The thing is, this is not the same because the focus types are this. This is the focus types. Sort of. So we need to convert this, and this is what we call Gambiaha, because we're going to do that the focus type is project group type plus 1. So then if it is 0, it becomes this. And then we just I don't know if break would break out of all of them, but we can just return from here, which is another Gambiaha. And then we have to actually call this. And when do we call adapt focus? We want to call that at the start of a season. I guess after we improve, Season end began. That is probably improve focus. I do adapt focus. We could do it here as well, but let's see if the Zen works. Um, so the focus, the type is 5. Which is definitely not a work one, but the projects group is governor. So this should become 1. Now the focus type switches to 1. And now the AI is better, which is, I don't want it to be too good right now. Let's throw this to balance. Let's say that the global if I want to like we're gonna do NPC chance to adapt focus. And that is going to be pretty low. It is happening. A bit. Let's just automate to see what scores we're seeing. Nothing crazy. I don't remember what I had when I won, but I think it was 90 something. Okay, that should work. Um, Now we have NPCs changing slash adapting their focus. Ah. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this idea. We're almost at the hour. Um, we might wrap this up soon. I wanted to try 1 hour 30 today, but I don't know what else to do right now. Um, um, One strange thing is that I was supposed to have this title. Let me edit that. Um, okay. I got that going. Huh, Twitch gives me an extra 5 minutes on this stream. That's funny. Hmm. Yeah, this is gonna be it. I think I'm done with this update actually. This should be what is shipped. This is actually occupying quite a lot of space right now. If we... it's not too bad. Maybe it's not too bad. I could throw it over here. Could throw it over here. Although this is going to be for the crisis later on. It could be over here or under here. Actually, it could be under here, right? Province info. The panel container, I'm gonna need VBox. Put the tab inside. Change the layout to expand. Throw this in here. And bam, bam, we're done. Except it doesn't show it all. And now it does. We could throw it up there. Like so. It's okay, I guess. It's a bit weird that these are up there and these are go lower. But I don't know, this is going to look like something else entirely. Anything else? No, I'm good. That's a lot of rest. I think that the player action automation is kind of broken right now. That if you automate, you're just going to be the last every time. Because your actions are pretty much just random on automation. It's interesting that the player would expect themselves to, even if they automate, they would expect to do better than average, right? So I'm gonna need an AI for when the player automates that's like better than the usual. But that's okay. Yep. That's gonna be it. Thank you very much. And have a great remaining time on Earth. I hope that you enjoy however long you have. Goodbye.